What is up, everyone? Welcome to another vlog. So today we are going to be going to WWE Friday Night Smackdown at the Allstate Arena in Chicago, Illinois. I am super excited because I haven't been to the Allstate Arena in, how much? Approximately 4 months. Last time I went was August 2nd for WWE Monday Night Raw. I also made a vlog on that if you guys want to check it out. However, tonight we are going to Friday Night Smackdown and I couldn't be more excited because this is going to be my first ever Smackdown. So, here we have my head of the table Roman Reigns t-shirt ready to go. And yeah, they're also going to be doing a December 24th taping, but I might not, I'm not going to be including that footage in this video. I might upload it on a different video, maybe when it's aired live on TV, because it's going to be pre-recorded tonight. Yeah. Alright everyone, we're about to go into the parking lot here at the Allstate Arena. I'm not showing the right window here. There we go, now you can see the Allstate Arena. We're right here at the Allstate Arena. We're parking. I already got my mask on because we're going to get off soon once we park. And yeah, I'm very excited. Our first ever WWE Friday Night Smackdown. Also, we brought in something that we will be wearing once we are inside, and I will show you guys that later. Yeah, we're gonna have so much fun. Alright, here we go. That's what we're taking in. Because it's almost Christmas. I hope they let us in with it. I don't think they'll say no to it. It's just a hat, but yeah, there we go. WWE truck, Allstate Arena. Alright, we got the Christmas hats through. We're here at the Allstate Arena. It's pretty cool. First ever Smackdown. Very excited. I got my backup battery here. Got to put it away though because we don't want to accident. Because we don't want to accidentally lose that. We got the head of the table t-shirt. Look at this, the stage. Very good. Very excited. Haven't been here in a couple months. I was here for Raw the second, like I said, this is like the third time I say that, but yeah, we're here at our seats at the Allstate Arena. It is very nice. Alright, we got the head of the table shirt now. Took off my jacket because yeah, I'm not gonna try to wear that here. You know what's funny? The first time I came to a WWE show, we were all the way over there, the worst seats possible. Other than the exact same seats on the opposite side. They're equally as bad, let's say. But actually, nah, I feel like those on that side are probably worse because they're not on the camera side. I mean, at least the superstars are facing them, you know. But we're gonna get started very soon, so. Promoting the tickets for Dallas, Texas for WrestleMania. Are you guys going? I'm not, but still.
Chicago, welcome to
Friday Night Smackdown!
You are in for a real treat because not only will we be going live with Friday Night Smackdown, we will also be taping next week's episode tonight!
Yeah!
So, without any delay, let's get it started with your opening contest!
Natalia! Natalia! Woo! I think this is a dark match. It's a dark match. It's not part of the show. right, here we go. We're gonna start.
We have 30 seconds before we're live with Friday Night Smackdown.
Yeah. Sasha Banks! Sasha! Yeah! Sasha! Oh, Charlotte Flair! Charlotte! Oh. 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 King Woods. King Woods. All right. We're back from commercial break? No, not yet. Yeah. Happy Corbin. Jackpot. Happy Corbin! Hit the music of Drew McIntyre, former WWE champion. Hit it now. Hit it now. Oh, oh. Oh, Sheamus! 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 Cesaro! 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 Naomi! Oh shoot, that's so cool! That is so cool! Naomi! This is for the McAfee minute!
Chicago, hey, it is Michael Cole's actual birthday tonight. Happy birthday, I'd be very grateful. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Another from Brookside. Happy birthday, dear Michael. Happy birthday to you.
Souls. Ooh. Souls. Roman Reigns! No!
The universe
intense. Oh wow, that was intense. What a way to end off Friday Night Smackdown. Now we're gonna start with the December 24th taping, which is gonna be
All right, Chicago, we are 60 seconds away from the next episode of Smackdown.
I'm not gonna show anything because maybe on another video, but that's it for this vlog. All right. All right, what is up, everyone? So we're back home now. I did mention about December 24th edition of Smackdown. It was taped tonight. However, so like I saw all the matches and everything, but it has not been aired on TV. So when it does air on TV on December 24th, I will upload a separate video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.